In today's video, we will be talking about the computer age and its associated dangers, such as identity theft and stalking. The people susceptible are people who use social media, smartphones, and rewards programs. And to be clear, this is not a video about avoiding this guy on the internet. The first step to understanding how identity theft works is to understand how Social Security works. The geographic area is the first 3 digits of your Social Security number. This is determined by the state you are born in. These are a small range of numbers. For instance, people born in Michigan had the first 3 digits of their Social Security number between 362 and 386. Within each area number, the group number goes in the order of 1 through 9 odd, then it switches to 10 through 98 even. From there, it goes to 2 through 8 even, then 11 through 99 odd. Within each group number, the serial number goes consecutively from 1 to 9999. Now, what does this all mean? Because the numbers are not randomized until 2011, the numbers are more predictable than most people think. This predictability in Social Security numbers increases the risk of identity theft. Social media can play a large role in identity theft, such as displaying your state of birth, which is most likely where you currently live, and your date of birth. This itself already increases how predictable your Social Security number is. A lot of this information posted on social media is easily accessible by strangers. Metadata is extra information about files such as pictures, and pictures are worth 1,000 words. This is a photo I took while I was on vacation, and this is the metadata that comes with the photo. Keep in mind that this is not all of the metadata. As you can see, GPS coordinates are included in this photo's metadata. So let's put them in Google. This shows I was on vacation in Munising. And zooming in shows the exact beach and the exact location I was at. This is a comparison of the original photo and the GPS locations on Google. And as you can see, it is quite accurate. I would like to point out that smartphones typically store more metadata on photos than other devices. Now, since there are metadata within photos, they can be transferred within Kik, SMS, and Snapchat. Although smartphones have data erase tools built in, they do not securely wipe the data from memory. When smartphones get transferred to another person by sale or theft, they can use data recovery tools to gain credit card information and personal information. Photos from messages or Snapchat are not actually deleted and can be recovered with data recovery tools along with metadata. Now, rewards programs are more dangerous than you think. I personally think that this is scarier than this. Personal information is recorded from rewards programs. Most likely, people use their rewards cards at the same time as their credit cards. This opens up the opportunity for hackers to combine the credit cards with additional personal information for identity theft. This is in the case of Target, where Target was hacked and estimates of up to 40 million credit card numbers and up to 110 million individual personal information was stolen. Now, when people think of stalking, they think of stalkers on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Yes, stalking does occur with fake accounts, but this problem is relatively minor and can be solved using the social media privacy settings. Like I have said before, this video is not about trying to avoid this guy, but to face more realistic and dominant issues. A problem becoming popular is stalking one's relationship partner using their smartphone. Smartphones and apps like Google Latitude, Find My Friends, and Hemisphere can be installed without one's knowledge, and can remain relatively hidden if it's on an Android-based smartphone. These apps tell the other individual where you are at and typically updates the information every 10 seconds. Michigan Tech openly displays information regarding students' name, email, phone numbers, and majors, which is why it is commonly known by Michigan Tech students as StalkerNet. So make sure you update your own privacy settings on the site. The best way to protect yourself from these dangers is to not use your real date of birth nor your real last name on social media. You should disable your smartphone GPS and check what apps you have regularly, and do not get any rewards cards. We covered the dangers of the computer age, such as identity theft and stalking, and people who are susceptible, including people who use social media, smartphones, and rewards programs. And we most certainly do not talk about how to avoid this guy on the internet.